Guys, what is up? This is Megapixel Pro and back in a video on my channel. And today we are unboxing and reviewing the iPhone 11. So without any further ado, let's get started.
There is nothing new about the packaging of the iPhone. After opening the box, we get the iPhone 11 itself. Keeping the handset aside, we get the Apple's paper stuff. Below that, we get the Apple's usual accessories, the dongle, the earbuds, and the lightning to USB cable for charging. This time Apple really impressed me through their display. The iPhone 11 comes with a 6.1 inches LCD display, which is pretty good, and the colors are really awesome with 720p resolution. Talking about the design of the iPhone 11, at the back we get two cameras, a flash, and the Apple logo. Below the Apple logo, we get the Apple's branding and manufacturing details. On the left side of the iPhone 11, we get the volume rockers and the mute button. And at the right side, we just get the Apple's home button. At the bottom of the iPhone, you get the stereo speakers, which supports Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital, and Dolby Digital Plus. And again this year, you have to miss the audio jack. This is the matte black 64GB version of the iPhone 11, which I have bought from Amsterdam. It costed me around 700 euros, which is approximately around 55,000 rupees in India. Look-wise, the Apple iPhone 11 is one of the best look-carrying smartphones of 2019. This iPhone is 8.3mm thick, 75.7mm wide, and weighs about 194 grams. This iPhone is dust-proof, has a IP68 water-resisting technology, and has a height of 150.9mm. This iPhone comes in 6 color variants, that is black, green, purple, red, white, and yellow, and I prefer the black version of it. Talking about the performance of this iPhone, it consists of the Apple's A13 Bionic chipset, 4-core GPU graphics, hexa-core clocked at 2.65 GHz, dual-core, Lightning plus 1.8 GHz, and a quad-core. It comes with a 64-bit architecture and a 4GB of RAM. The Apple iPhone 11 operates on iOS version 13.0, comes with dual SIM slots, in which one SIM is Nano and the second is eSIM, supports 4G, and due to its A13 Bionic chipset, the Face ID on this phone is much faster than the previous one. The cameras on the phone is really awesome. It comes with a 12 megapixel front camera and a 12 megapixel rear camera. The camera features 5x digital zoom, 2x optical zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. It comes with the Exmor RS CMOS sensor, consists of face detection autofocus. Camera comes with continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, and burst mode. It has a physical aperture of f2.2. The camera comes with optical image stabilization and supports 4K video recording at 30 fps and HD video recording at 60 fps. These are some camera samples and video recordings taken from iPhone 11 at different modes. Maybe many great smartphones running on the Android, but if you don't want to leave the Apple's ecosystem, then I would surely recommend you to buy the iPhone 11 instead of buying the iPhone 11 Pro or the Pro Max, because they're really overpriced. iPhone 11 being priced at 67,000 rupees in India currently, I think this is the best iPhone coming under that price bracket, and it justifies its price as it is providing you with many of the new features, and specifically the camera of this iPhone is really great, and if you are a photographer, then this phone is really for you. I'm currently using this Apple's original silicon black color case for my iPhone 11.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So this was my take on the iPhone 11. If you have any queries regarding this phone, then you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I will try to answer to all of them. With that said, I come to this end of this video. Before going, please follow me on the Instagram with the link provided in the description. Subscribe to my second channel, the vlog one. For that, link would be also in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share. Thank you, bye bye, and I will look forward to see you in my next video. Till then, peace.